ang view sa room namin. Ito ang room namin. It's still messy. Come on, we have to finish Lola's room.
You have to finish it.
Ay, lazy bugger.
Dagan yung mag-paint eh. Kung tapos na yung painting,
Wow.
pwede ko na ikabit yung TV.
Wow.
Pwede ko na kailangan i-set up yung mga kailangan ko i-set up. Ang bagal nyo, nag-paint kayo ng buong araw.
Wow.
Hindi natapos.
Wow. Sige na, bye.
Ito na.
Painty.
Di namin na vlog, binuksan nila yung lata eh. Mga week.
Without the voice.
Aba? Ano? Noobs. Mga newbies.
Yeah, start from this wall, I go like that. Yeah, so what's your plan?
I'll just do that and then go like that. Okay.
Okay na. Tignan mo.
Kaya ko pa kasi
Expert ah.
Ilang beses na kaming nagganito sa UK. Sanay lang kami sa ganito. So, nearly done yung aming second layer dito sa room ni Lola. Look, it's looking good. Yung sa top bit na lang. And then, tapos na yan. So, si Cheryl na magtatapos niyan. Ang ginagawa ko ngayon is, ini-empty ko yung box na pinadala ko. Tapos, puno siya ng mga gamit na binili ko sa UK for Lola's room. So, yeah, let's empty it. Ayan. Tapos yung iba nandito na. Natuwa ako dun sa lampshade kasi akala ko talaga madadamage to. May konting fold lang pero it's not too bad. Kita nyo? And binili ko to sa Costco. Tapos bumili kami ng curtain niya kasi ganito yung color na gusto niya. And yeah, I'm just unpacking now. Yan, yung malaking box na yan ang i-unpack ko. Some of this is para sa kitchen ni Mama. That's mga bits and bobs. For the house, for the car. I even got her like, lalagyan na ng toothbrush. Ayan nyo. Ang ganda. Tapos, soap dispenser. Saan ko lang ito nabili sa, ano tawag yan? The range ata sa UK. Look, I got even for her toilet mat ba?
Ilagay mo na nandun sa may door na banda.
Up ni Lola.
Ayaw nga, no? Ayan, ilagay natin sa... Ano ba yan?
Sa room niya. So Nathan is doing the side table of Lola. So, yes. Waiting kami. So, binibuild na ni Nathan yung side table ni Lola. Si Cheryl is finishing the painting. Nalabas ko na yung mga gamit. So, later, it's just a matter of putting everything in. Si Walter, my project, siya ang taga-drill mamaya eh. Kaya chill lang muna siya. Okay, time check guys. It's 12 o'clock and the painting is done. It's done. Look.
Well, I'm done.
Done. Yes. Siguro mga 1 or 2 o'clock we start putting the stuff in here, cleaning.
1 o'clock we can start.
Nearly done, guys. How many months in the making?
Loads.
Loads of months in the making.
Too many to mention.
Yeah, but anyway, yeah, let's crack a window open. But you can't, what? Can't crack the window open. My papa put something like this on para hindi pumasok na magnanakaw. Ano ba yan? Never mind. Wag na lang. Mama is making talbos ng sayote. Is that right, Mama?
Yeah.
Gisa. So we are in the basement of the house. I miss this. I remember when we were a kid. We used to make ulam this a lot. And what are you doing, Papa?
I'm preparing for paksiw.
Paksiw. He's making fish paksiw, and we have fish da here, frying. Yes. Eating time. I was expecting him to eat. It will stay in your phone.
Not the small ones.
Leave my batter alone.
We have a spray for glass. Yes.
Can we just get rid of the...
Then Cheryl is cleaning the window. Window time. Malapit na. Ang problema namin, yung mga sockets is only on this side of the wall. Eh dito namin gusto lagay yung TV. So, I don't know what we're gonna do. Okay, so now Walter is sorting out the electricals. We're all sat here watching him. Quality assurance. Well, he's fixing all the little electrics bits in the room. Medyo loose yung switch eh, so... Tingin box? Yeah. Ayan na, gawa na ang side table. Let's test it. Nice.
British made.
British made. Yan.
Hindi mo ibababa?
Bab.
Mas mataas kasi. Pag yung liwanag pumasok, di ba? Gusto mo na kita. Kapag hindi, kasi pero ba?
For me, mas mababa. Yan, ganyan.
Okay.
Yeah. Martilyo. Oh, you still need martilyo? So now, we have to decide where the telly goes. Wherever the telly goes.
Ano ba ganun dito? Tapos ganyan TV. Ikatagilid dito yun.
Yun nga sinasabi ko eh. Parang mas okay pag nandito.
Yung...
Ayan, magpalit na naman kami ng... Palit na naman ng positioning.
Wait, don't put the change.
Huwag daw pit-pitin to siya.
Is that the... Oh, sige.
Closer to the wall, yep.
Yeah, so we have that saksakan that's still functional.
Yeah.
See?
Oh, sige, let's try to move this bed naman to its original.
Baby!
Careful, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Push, push.
Push towards me. Yep.
Baby. O, ganyan na lang. Sige. Ha? Wala. Whoops.
Pivot.
Push. Push. Wait, wait,
Whoop, 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 whoop.
Forward, forward.
Push back this side. Yun. Yes, perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Oh, yeah, actually.
Diba? It's better.
So, mas madaling manood.
Yeah, it's better this way.
And then this is the side table.
Side table goes there. There's more space.
Dyan.
Ito na yung mga apo ni Filipina na malakas kumain.
Kaya wala ka buhat. Wait lang ha.
Saling ko yung
Hotel ba to?
motor. Diba? Cute.
Parang tabi yun.
Hindi pa yung sila na natin dito. Ano, okay na yung bed dyan?
Yeah, I think
Tapos i-match na yung TV.
Dito
so
ka.
okay na rin yung space dito kasi
Oo, perfect
may
na
daan.
Try mo yan eh. Pag nakahiga ka dyan yung TV oh. Di ba?
Oh, perfect.
Kaya sa pag natagilid ka.
yung ano dito lang siya.
Sino?
Kung sino ba? Si Mama. Makikinood.
Maglagay ka upuan dito. Dyan eh.
Yung green stool dito lang nakalagay.
Pwede siyang mag small coffee table.
Dyan, sa baba ng TV. Di ba?
O sige na, TV time.
Okay.
Okay, go. It's your job. Yan. Mina-mark up na ni Walter. Ang tawag sa ganyan? Ayun, TV mount. Tama. Yeah. Okay, drilling time. Music to the eyes.
Mahal kasi yung daily rate sa YouTube nito ni Rebex.
Let's put the
Tama
frame.
ba?
Ayun lang.
Rebex, tulungan mo ako dito.
Ay, hindi naman yun.
10 years later.
Gusto ba ito?
Tama ba? Is it going the right way?
I-push mo. Ito dito.
Si Walter.
Oh, sige. Ako na. Masyado akong pushing. Ano ka na nga dito?
Ano nangyari sa'yo?
Ayaw eh.
I'm in.
Okay. Is it a
Are
bit
you
more
sure?
there
Are
or
you
a bit more there?
Okay lang.
Pwede niya yung
Okay na? Which way?
A little bit on that side.
That's it.
Yeah, okay. That's fine.
Nice.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna try the telly, see if the Chromecast works. Ayan na, YouTube, is it working? Subscribe, guys!
Hey guys, my name is
And
Viel.
then, woo!
Nandito na ako for around 19 years, so samahan niyo ako sa
Hinaan mo ba?
project while I document life.
Ayan. Tatanggalin ng plastic. 3 tao ang kailangan.
Okay na yan, okay na yan.
Paano to?
I-ano na lang natin later.
Unti-untiin mo lang.
Ma-drop na natin ito.
Ayan o. Ayan. Nasaan yung ano?
Mamaya.
Yung cover niyan. Lakas nitong mag-iina. Oh. Lakas kumain. Kung makapag-exercise yan.
Wow!
Kumakain muna pag nag-restaurant kami. Kumakain muna sila. Tapos tapos na. Tapos papatayin yung video. Nag-exercise sila.
Yon. And my pillows pang kasamang malalaki. Yan. Man, nakatayo kagaya nung kay Walter. Yan. Nice. Okay, so guys, this is how it looks like day 2 of the makeover. Ito na, may bed na siya. Natanggal na namin yung plastic. May side table siya doon. May lamp. Yung wardrobe niya, naakyat na rin namin. Tapos ito yung TV. Nilagay na rin namin sa wall.
Ah, meron pang kulang.
Ay, meron pa palang kulang. Oo, tama. Yung green na stool. Ito, may green stool pa siya dyan. Yun.
Down here.
Ganon. Yung rug pala nila, wala. Nakalimutan. May rug siya.
So yung rug niya is dito lang.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yun na. That's Lola's bedroom. Right there.
Lagyan natin ito para...
Mama, you have to fold it into a swan. Di ba sa hotel? Yan. Ready for check-in si Lola sa 2nd of January.
Nakabook na siya.
Nakabook na si Lola. Okay, for real na. Bye!
Pasok ka.
Wow!
Ayan. Para ka nang... Meron ka ng pangkapi dito.
Sige na yun.
Pag muna, tingnan mo kung kayang...
Ano ba yung...
Parang nasa hotel ka. Yan. O, diba?
Ganito yung